Downsizing. We've been talking about this already. We've had a couple episodes about the art of the downsize, but I felt that we have so much interest in this topic that we're going to start a series here breaking down all the steps along the way, how to get started, all that stuff. So basically we're going to have here is a checklist you can download where you can kind of get a step-by-step outline that we've created from years of experience of helping people get out of their home they've been in forever into something else. So check this out, it's going to be super helpful, and then stay tuned for more episodes as we break down these series. And again, the beginning part is just reaching out to us. It could be a 5-year plan. It doesn't need to be something you're doing in the 2 months, right? Reach out to us, we can have a conversation. It's actually kind of fun to get that started and kind of watch the market, talk about different areas. Maybe you want to move out of state or out of the county or whatever it is. There's all these different tax advantages. We've got Prop 19, we have our Ready to Sell program, which helps with renovations, our trusted vendors when it comes to decluttering, staging, packing, all these things that are important, different steps along the way. So again, this is just the tip of the iceberg, the start of the process. That's what we're here for. So check it out. Reach out to me if you have any questions, or if you want a more detailed breakdown from what our checklist has or something specific to your case. That's what I'm here for. Look forward to kind of going over it all with you, and stay tuned for our next series and make it a great day. We'll talk to you soon.